Alright guys, here, welcome to another Moonoveraquarius experience video. Today we came to Burger King here in Clearwater, and they had a special, it's called a Big King chicken or option over a burger, so you can have either or the other. So Lily chose the chicken burger, which is quite nice, comes with the cheese as well. And I had the, just open that one for me. And I had the burger. Also comes with the fries, 2 fries and 2 cold drinks, which are bottomless, as you know, at Burger King. And so that's the burger which you get as well. As I mentioned, you do get bottomless cups, and they have Pepsi, they have Miranda, they have still water, and they have sparkling water you can choose from. And the chips are fairly decent size, I think. Yeah, I'm being ready. So guys, do come check out Burger King, the promo. I don't know how long it's running for. It looks great. Thank you.